This is why your phone takes so long to charge and spends most of its time plugged in. Technicians don't want you to know this because they want you to buy a new battery. The worst part is that this could be happening to your phone and you don't even realize it. So, stay until the end to avoid being fooled. And in this same video, I'll reveal the secret code for your phone that telecom companies keep under lock and key. Here's the first tip. Whenever you charge your phone, remove the case. If you charge your phone with the case on, you're doing it all wrong and putting yourself at great risk. This happens because while charging, the phone heats up a lot, and the case will make it heat up even more. That's why your phone takes so long to charge and drains so quickly. If this is happening, don't worry. I'll teach you how to fix it. To start, open your phone's app store and then type in Calibrate Battery Life. Click on this app. Now click Install and wait until the installation is complete. After that, open the app and you'll see this screen with several squares. This app will check the battery for errors and fix them. Click Start and it will run the diagnostic and repair. Once it's done, click OK. Now, connect your charger to your phone to check and fix the battery issues. With the charger connected, it will correct charging errors, making your phone charge normally again. As you can see here, it says the battery status has been fixed, and your phone will no longer overheat and will hold its charge much longer. After I did this, my phone's battery started lasting all day. Now I'll teach you a hidden code on your phone. This code will restore your battery and it will last much longer. Open your phone's dialer where you usually make calls. Type *#, hashtag 9900, and hashtag. You'll see this screen open up with all these hidden options. Look for their Set Battery option. Simply click on it, and the battery will be reset. By performing this procedure, your phone's damaged battery will be restarted. This will give it a new chance to function properly and last much longer. By following these tips, if your battery is worn out, it will become stronger and last much longer. Which of these tips was most helpful for your battery? That's all for now. And if you've made it this far, leave a comment saying, "I want my phone's battery to last much longer," so I know you enjoyed tips like this.